In a world where automotive giants battle for supremacy, one name has stood out for decades, but now it's about to break the mold. Today, we're unveiling the much-anticipated 2025 Toyota Tundra, a truck that promises to redefine its class. But what secrets lie beneath the surface? With rumors swirling and expectations skyrocketing, the Toyota CEO has hinted at groundbreaking features and technologies. But what's the real story behind this revolutionary truck? From whispers of advanced hybrid systems to mysterious design changes, the speculation is intense. And today we're going to dive deep into the secrets that could change everything. But first, let's hear what the Toyota CEO had to say about this game-changing vehicle. We're proud to introduce the 2025 Toyota Tundra, a vehicle that embodies our commitment to innovation and excellence. What you're about to see will set new standards in the industry. But what does that really mean? Let's dissect the clues and uncover the mysteries behind the 2025 Toyota Tundra. Could this be the first truck to seamlessly blend luxury with rugged performance? Are we looking at a hybrid powerhouse or an all-electric marvel? Sources suggest that the new Tundra might come with a revolutionary hybrid powertrain, pushing the boundaries of efficiency and power. And then there's the design rumored to feature a more aggressive stance, futuristic LED lighting, and cutting-edge aerodynamics. But what exactly are we in for? The excitement is palpable, but with great anticipation comes great uncertainty. What hidden features could Toyota have in store? Advanced hybrid powertrain options. The 2025 Toyota Tundra introduces a revolutionary hybrid powertrain designed to blend power with efficiency like never before. At its core, the new Tundra features a robust twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with an advanced electric motor. This combination not only delivers remarkable horsepower and torque, but also significantly improves fuel efficiency compared to traditional engines. For those seeking even more efficiency, the hybrid system offers an all-electric mode for short urban commutes and low-speed driving, allowing drivers to enjoy zero emissions and reduced fuel consumption. This hybrid powertrain represents Toyota's commitment to reducing environmental impact while maintaining the high performance expected from the Tundra. Enhanced off-road capabilities. The 2025 Toyota Tundra takes off-road adventure to new heights with its enhanced off-road capabilities. The vehicle is equipped with an advanced terrain management system that allows drivers to select from multiple driving modes such as mud, sand, rock, and snow, ensuring optimal performance on any surface. The multi-link rear suspension has been reinforced and features adjustable ride height to provide better ground clearance and improved handling on rough terrain. Additionally, a state-of-the-art trail camera system offers a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings, helping drivers navigate challenging off-road conditions with confidence and precision. Futuristic design and aerodynamics. With a bold and modern design, the 2025 Toyota Tundra stands out on the road. The truck features an aggressive front grille with integrated LED headlights that enhance its commanding presence. The body has been sculpted with sleek aerodynamics in mind, incorporating active grille shutters to improve fuel efficiency by reducing wind resistance. The high-visibility LED lighting system includes adaptive high beams and signature daytime running lights, providing both style and functionality. This futuristic design not only contributes to the Tundra's striking appearance but also enhances its performance and efficiency. Luxury and comfort features. The 2025 Toyota Tundra redefines comfort and luxury in the full-size truck segment. The interior is adorned with premium materials including high-quality leather upholstery and real wood accents, creating an upscale and refined cabin environment. Multi-zone climate control ensures that all occupants enjoy personalized comfort, with separate climate zones for the driver, passenger, and rear seats. Additionally, the front and rear seats are equipped with heating and ventilation options, allowing for optimal comfort in any weather condition. This focus on luxury and comfort underscores Toyota's commitment to providing a top-tier driving experience. State-of-the-art technology. Technology in the 2025 Toyota Tundra is cutting-edge and user-friendly. The truck boasts a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The advanced voice recognition system, powered by artificial intelligence, allows drivers to control various vehicle functions and access infotainment options with simple voice commands. A customizable heads-up display provides critical driving information directly on the windshield, keeping essential data within the driver's line of sight and enhancing overall safety and convenience. Safety and driver assistance. The 2025 Toyota Tundra comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the latest iteration of the company's advanced safety suite. This comprehensive system includes enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to provide superior protection and peace of mind on the road. The truck also features an advanced blind spot monitoring system with rear cross traffic alert, which improves safety during lane changes and parking maneuvers. Additionally, a 360-degree parking assistance system with front and rear parking sensors and a camera view makes parking in tight spaces easier and safer. Enhanced towing and payload capacity. The 2025 Toyota Tundra excels in towing and payload capacity, making it a versatile choice for both work and play. The truck's towing capabilities have been upgraded to handle heavier loads with ease, thanks to an advanced trailer brake controller and integrated trailer sway control. The durable bed features a high-strength composite construction that can withstand tough use, while built-in cargo management solutions include configurable tie-downs and an available power outlet. These enhancements ensure that the Tundra can meet a wide range of hauling and towing needs with confidence. Eco-friendly innovations. In line with Toyota's commitment to sustainability, the 2025 Tundra incorporates several eco-friendly innovations. Optional solar roof panels help to recharge the hybrid battery and power auxiliary systems, further enhancing the vehicle's overall efficiency. Inside the cabin, sustainable materials are used throughout, reflecting a thoughtful approach to reducing environmental impact. These innovations highlight Toyota's dedication to creating a vehicle that not only performs exceptionally, but also contributes to a greener future. One standout feature of the 2025 Toyota Tundra is its advanced multi-terrain select system. This innovative system allows drivers to customize their vehicle's performance by selecting from multiple terrain modes, including options for mud, sand, rock, and more. Each mode adjusts the truck's throttle response, traction control, and braking systems to optimize performance for different off-road conditions. This enhanced capability ensures that the Tundra can tackle a variety of challenging terrains with confidence, whether you're navigating through rocky trails, driving on sandy dunes, or maneuvering through muddy paths. Additionally, this system contributes to a smoother and more controlled driving experience, making the Tundra not only a powerful off-road vehicle but also a versatile option for diverse driving environments. There it is, the future of driving, now in your grasp. What do you think of the new Toyota Tundra? Is it everything you hoped for, or does it leave you craving more? Leave your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive innovations. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more breaking news in the world of automobiles. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.